Hello, kids! Look what we have here! So many colorful Play-Doh balls! Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and purple! And look! Matching colorful houses behind them! What's inside? That's so exciting! Let's open house number 1 first. The red house! What could be inside? Let's open it! Wait, I see something! It's a lion! Hey, little lion, pick a color for your Play-Doh.
Oh, hello. I choose orange.
All right, here comes the orange Play-Doh. First, let's use the rolling pin to flatten it nice and smooth. Then press this mold right here. Time for the little lion to go in. Remove the extra dough. Wow, a cute little orange lion! Stay right here, okay? Lions are known as the king of the animals because they are very strong and courageous. They usually live in prides and hunt together for food. Male lions have large manes around their heads, making them look very majestic and easily recognizable. Now, let's go to house number 5, the purple house. What's inside? Ta-da! A chubby hippo! Hello, little hippo. What color do you like? Can you choose one for me? Blue? Let's get started. Flatten the Play-Doh with the roller. Now it's time for the hippo. Press it evenly. Remove the extra dough and lift the mold. Wow, a cute little blue hippo appears. You look so adorable. Come stand here with the lion. Hippopotamuses are large animals that typically live near rivers or lakes. They spend a lot of time submerged in water to keep cool. Despite their docile appearance, hippos are very strong and can run quickly on land. Let's go! The next house is waiting. House number 4, the blue house. Oh, it's a funny monkey. Pick your favorite color.
I miss the forest with all the green trees, so I choose green.
Where is the green Play-Doh? Here it is. Let's go. Let's soften the dough first. Make space for the mold. Press it down. Add details to the monkey. Lift the mold. A little green monkey is ready. You look so playful. Go play with your 2 friends. Monkeys are very intelligent and agile animals. They enjoy climbing trees and usually live in small groups in the forest. Monkeys are playful and like to eat fruits such as bananas, mangoes, and coconuts. Get ready, we're going to the next house. House number 2, the cozy orange house. And inside is a giraffe. Now pick a beautiful color.
I will choose a color like the warm sunshine I love. That's yellow.
That's wonderful. I love sunshine too. Let's help the giraffe enjoy the sunshine. Roll it smooth. Place the mold. Perfect fit. Time for the giraffe. All right, remove the mold. Oh, look at the yellow giraffe. So bright and beautiful. Back to your spot. Giraffes are animals with very long necks, which helps them easily eat leaves in the tops of tall trees. They usually live in grasslands and savannas, where there are many green trees. Giraffes have distinctive spots on their bodies, making them easily recognizable and very striking. Now only house number 3 is left, the greenhouse. Our animal is a zebra. Hey zebra, what color would you like?
Wow, everyone has such beautiful colors. I want purple.
Coming right up. Let's do the same steps. Roll it smooth. Press the mold. The zebra is so excited. Almost done. Finished. The zebra looks just as beautiful as the others. Zebras are distinctive animals with characteristic black and white stripes on their bodies. They usually live in large herds in grasslands and run very fast to avoid predators. Each zebra has a different stripe pattern, like a unique fingerprint. So now we explored all the magical houses and helped our animal friends get their favorite colors. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Goodbye, kids. See you next time.